Hello everyone and welcome to the second episode of our web series Live My Life with BMC Helix. Today we will meet Didier, administrator of the service catalog of his company.
Unfortunately, Didier is an administrator of several service catalogs spread over several portals. Many collaborators complain they never know which portal to use. HR, logistics and IT work in silos and have their own portals. To further complicate matters, each portal has its own development language and it often takes months to set up new services. During the night, Didier dreams of having a single service catalog, in which he can set up workflows without needing to write any code. The graphical interface would allow him to easily create questionnaires, configure processes with drag and drop, and link the services to different profiles of end users. This portal would also integrate knowledge articles so that there is no need to pick up the phone every 5 minutes. In summary, Didier would like to decommission the multiple catalogs that are difficult to administer, and replace it with a single, easy-to-manage catalog. Let's see how Helix Digital Workplace covers this. This weekend, the new Helix Digital Workplace catalog has been deployed in Didier's company. Didier connects as the catalog administrator to add a new service, so that employees can request a badge and a parking spot through the self-service portal. First, he defines how this request will be displayed to the end user. He defines a logo and a title of the new service. Then he can add a photo or video, a detailed description of the offer, and even add additional resources. Next, he defines the fulfillment process of this request. He can either build a new process, or choose a pre-built one. As an example, we will use the pre-built workflow including an approval and a completion task. Now, Didier defines questions that the end user will have to answer when submitting the request. Why do you need a parking badge? When do you need it? For which type of vehicle? The request entry form is ready, the implementation workflow is connected. The only thing left is to approve and publish the service. Today, Didier is the administrator in his company, but he hopes he will soon manage a team of catalog administrators managing their own department, so he can just approve and publish the already built services in the consolidated catalog. Let's look at the result from the point of view of Mary, end user of the Digital Workplace portal. Requesting a parking badge has never been as easy. A bit later, Didier is informed that an approval step is missing in onboarding process. In a few clicks, Didier opens the workflow. With simple drag and drop, he makes the required changes. The service catalog can also easily be made available in Helix chatbot. A wizard guides us through the questions for the service request. This automatically creates the conversation logic needed for the natural language processing of IBM Watson. Finally, Didier can set up marketplaces to manage who has access to which set of services.
To summarize, BMC Helix will reduce maintenance costs by unifying the service catalogs of the company in a single portal, Helix Digital Workplace. The connectors allow to dispatch tasks of the completion process to different systems, depending on the involved teams. The configuration of the services is done through an intuitive graphical interface, without writing any code. Deploying a new service using built-in workflows only takes minutes. From the point of view of the business users like Mary, following their requests in a single portal matches the digital experience they know from their personal lives.